Being a great designer means you're able to solve great problems. In more cases than one, a client will present you with a problem, and your job is to solve that problem using your tools. If you're a web designer, the tools might be the elements and principles of art, and a graphics application like Photoshop or Illustrator. All problems need their own specific solutions. We simply can't use a generic solution for everything. However, we can approach every project with the same step-by-step process. Before we take a look at that process, let's first understand why we think the way we do. What I'm about to go over has a lot to do with psychology. However, it plays a very valid role in visual communication and the design process. When I say the word psychology, I'm simply referring to an explanation of why we do what we do, or why we think the way we think. In psychology, we have a term called cognition, or more specifically, cognitive thinking, which basically means our mental process, or the order we think. Cognition is always active, it never stops. Even in our subconscious, it's continuous. Problem solving is a form of cognition. Please take note that there are many different ways to solve problems using different techniques and principles. The process I'm going to share with you is one that I've put together over years of designing and creating. I have broken the process down into the 4 P's. The 4 P's of problem solving. The first step is prep, for preparation. This is where we understand and diagnose the problem. Our next step is plan. This is where we organize everything before acting. Which brings us to our third step, perform, or performance. We simply put the plan into action. Then our final step is perfect. This is when we check to see if our end goal has fulfilled the problem. If not, we can go back, review, and rework the solution. So again, the 4 P's of problem solving are prep, plan, perform, and perfect. For the remainder of this stage, we're going to walk through the problem solving process in detail. But before we do that, let's take a quick quiz.